Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can create photo albums and share it with other people on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, first let's go into settings. So tap on settings on the home screen. Then we go down and tap on photos. Next, in photos setting, go down and make sure that you turn on share albums. So tap on share albums to switch it on. Once it is turned on, now swipe up to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe across and find the Photos app. Now open Photos, and in Photos, we're going to go and select the photos that you want to share or to create the albums, or you can tap on albums down here. So there are multiple ways to do this. In albums, you can tap on the add button at the top and then tap on new share album. Okay, so first we're going to create a new share album. So let's say holidays, and then tap on next, and then you can choose who you want to share it to. So tap on the add button, and then we're going to choose a contact, and then we're going to select a phone number, and then tap on create. Now you can choose more than one contact if you wanted to, and then tap on the create button at the top. Okay, so we have now created a new share album in here with the contact, with the chosen contacts. And in there, you can tap on it and then tap on add button. So it's an invitation not deliver. The phone number invited to holiday cannot receive share album invitations. Now this is because the other person or the other contact number is not using iOS system. It's on Android, but it doesn't matter. We can continue on. So in here, you can tap on the add button and you can choose photos and videos in here, and then tap on done. And again, you can give the description of the photos. So say toys, and then tap on post. Now if you go down here, it say we're going to share it to holiday album, and then we tap on post, and now we have successfully added to the share albums. Now if you tap on back here and in library, you can select the photos. So I'm going to tap on the select button, and in here I'm going to select multiple photos, and then you can tap on the share button down here, and then in the list we can go down and we can tap on add to share albums, and then you can give it a comment, beach, and then in here tap on share album. In here you can choose which albums that you want to use to share. So we can choose the holiday album. You can share it to family, car, and cars here, depending on what album you have created in the iCloud. So in here we're going to choose holiday, which is the album we have created previously. Otherwise, you can tap on new share album, so you can create a brand new share album. So test, for example, test, and then tap on next. And then again in here you need to choose the contact that you want to share it to. So say IT Jungles 2 this time, and then tap on next, then tap on post. And that's it. So those are the methods, two different ways how you can share your photos and photo albums to other people on the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.